Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. If you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing for Temu, and the OGs on the channel already know that this is the second collaboration we are doing with that particular brand. Alright, so a huge disclaimer for the first video that I did. I unboxed a car vacuum, and sadly that item has been recalled, so we are doing a fresh collaboration. Alright, so if you guys are still looking for other car vacuums, they have tons of that on their website. Please do want to check on their website. They have tons of amazing products that you can substitute that particular product for. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing. In today's unboxing, we have some clothes, some cosmetics. We also have some household equipment as well. So without further ado, I'm going to be starting with the smaller items and trust Temu to do in their usual fashion. I don't know if this is a production thing or if this is a warehouse thing. This huge bag for only 2 items inside. And funny enough, there's a repeat of that 2 more times. But anyway, you guys, I digress. The first item in this particular bag is a wig glue. So this is the descriptions of how to use that is on there. So this is the invisible wig glue, and this is supposed to disappear and just give you that seamless hairline anytime you have like a 360 wig, or like a 13 by 16 wig, or even a 4x4. Anyway, the next product we have here is a lipstick, and I chose 2 colors for this, so I'm guessing the second one is probably in one of the other bags. This is what this one looks like. This is from a brand called Podia, and this is what the color looks like. So this is what that color looks like. I'm just going to do a little swatch for you so you see what that color looks like. Alright, so the links to all these products will be in the description box, as well as my unique code. So you guys, if you're looking to purchase any of these items, check my description box, click on my unique link, and also use my discount code to be able to benefit from amazing discounts as you check out. Alright, so this is the second one, and it's still from the same brand, and this is what that one looks like. So this is more of a nude color. This is what it looks like on the stick, and a little swatch just beside the first one. That's what the other one looks like. Next up is a waterproof liner, and this is in the color 1, so that's color black, and is by the popular brand called Davis. I have their pencils, the one you sharpen, but this looks like the Arabian one, the ones that stay on all day. And yeah, just a little swatch, and that's how it is. It can be more intense than that, but kind of like my pencils, a little dull, but that's how it is. So this next product comes like this. I actually thought it would have a label on, but it doesn't, and this is for people like myself who have like bald patches like that. So there's the stamp is in there, and this is like the powder pad, so you're supposed to use that. I think I got a shade too light. This shade is too light for me. You can see that it doesn't even match my skin color. But anyway, there are ways to fix this with concealer and whatnot, but that's what that one is. I also got AirPods, and this is the Pro 4. I got 2 of this. It comes with an iPhone jack and a USB. It also comes with a manual and the pod itself. So this is what it looks like. Let's just switch it this way. So for the third bag, these 3 bags came in a smaller package, so I'm unboxing them first. Alright, so this is just hair wax stick, and this is just to slick your hair down so that you don't get flyaways. For people like myself who are on the natural hair journey, This is very instrumental. Also, if you have wigs, so you push it down from here and then it comes up. If you have wigs and things like that, I think it's perfectly fine for all natural hair types. So this is the second AirPod. There's no need unboxing that. It's the same as the first one. This next product I got for my curly wigs because I'm looking to revamp my curly wigs, and this is a sculpting curly hair mousse. So this is just supposed to redefine your curls, and if you have like, I think it's type 3 hair, this is just going to help you revitalize your coils. But anyway, that's for curly hair. Now we're going to be opening this one together. Alright, so the first product also comes in another bag. You guys, can you tell me what you use these bags for? Personally, for me, I put my wigs in them. So this is a raincoat, and this is basically what it looks like. I don't think I want to take that off this packaging, but just to tell you what the texture of it feels like. I think this is one great thing to have, especially in a country like this where the weather is so unpredictable. You can pack it in your bag, and the quality is really good. It's waterproof as it should be. It says on here it's waterproof, it's reusable, it's portable, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. And you put this on to enjoy different outdoor activities, and then you can see the different kinds of colors that this comes in. So I'm really excited about this. This next bag has quite a few items in it. Right, so the first one here is a spray bottle. I haven't quite decided what I want to do with this spray bottle yet. I don't know if I want to use it for the kitchen or use it for my hair. I currently have one that I use for my hair, but I don't know if I want to keep this for cooking, or I haven't decided yet. So that's that one. Alright, so this next product is something that I got for the laptops. So this is basically like a laptop riser. It's supposed to improve posture and just get you sitting upright, so that you don't hurt your back while you're working for long. So this is basically the setup. You just put your laptop on there and you can adjust it to basically any level depending on what position you are sitting, or how tall or short you are, how tall or short your work top is, or something like that. So this is one thing that I really like. So I got two of that for myself and my husband. You see this item? I got it during my first Temu unboxing. But the powers that be in this house, the controllers, hijacked it. So I had to get my own. And I got it in the color pink because they will not touch anything pink in this house. So this one is for me. I got my own in my own color. You see this next item? No more crying. This thing should be called No More Tears, because I've waited for this particular item. This whole unboxing is all about this item, because this is where I will now start storing all of my files before I transfer it to the laptop, because I can't tell you how many times I've lost files. I have lost content because I was transferring it carelessly. So you guys, this thing is very important. I got this in the size is 128 gig of storage for this particular flash drive. So I connect this to my phone, and then I can carry my content around on my flash. I don't even have to transfer it to my laptop before I edit it. So this is going to save me tears. I think the first time I saw this was, I didn't even know such a thing existed, truthfully. But when I saw this on, I think it was Joy Error's channel, I saw it on her channel, and I'm like, I have to get that one. So yes, I'm really excited about it, and I can't wait to put this to use. This will live and work with me in my work bag. It's everywhere you go, literally. It's an empty thing. Alright, so the next item I got are just a pair of earrings, and I like that they are very subtle. I love that they are droplets as well. Really like how cute and small they are. The next item I have here is an egg stencil. I'll call this an egg stencil, and it basically just has a knob there. You can obviously store it like that just because of the space and things like that. But this is just to help you have a round egg. So I'm looking to get more into breakfast because it's really not part of my diet right now. And my children, well, one of them loves fried eggs. So this is just going to help us with that idea. I should have even gotten more than one because it makes no sense to just make one egg at a time. Alright, so this next item is something that I love. I don't know how many guys of you guys know how much I love blue nails, but sky blue is the in thing for me right now, and I absolutely love it. I have worn it a couple of times here on the channel, but when I saw this on the Temu site, I have to get this one. This next item is a collapsible colander, and it's basically what the name says. I like the fact that it's compact, it's not too big, it's not too small, and it can do any and everything. It can take wet things, you can put like kitchen napkins in there and use it as a collection place for things like fries or akara or anything. So I really like it, and I like that it is also compact. I don't need too much space to save this. The last and final item in that particular bag is a dress. I will be trying, or this is a shirt, I believe. This is a shirt, and I got this in a size large. I need to start adjusting my size because I'm no longer as big as I was. But I hope that this is not too big on me. I will be doing the cloth try on towards the end of the video, so please stick around for that one. This next item is, oh yeah, it's a thermal wear. Thermal wear. So it's a thermal wear, and it is has a turtleneck, long sleeves, and I got this in, I think, a size large. I'm not sure. Yes, I got this in a size large, and this is just in preparation for winter because I don't know about the other parts of the UK, but where I currently am, it's been raining, and this week is a rainy week. This particular week that we're in, it's a rainy week. So this next item is something I got for church. It also has a belt. I'll try that on towards the end of the video. Like I said, you guys, I got raincoats for the boys, and these are them. I don't know why they came as yellow. I picked blue, but anyway, this is another clothing item. I'll be trying this on later on. You guys, I've been raving about this bag for God knows how long. I saw it on the website and I clicked on it, you guys. And it's finally here. It is finally here. I'll try this on with the clothes as well, so you get to see properly. This is another pair of earrings, and this one look like the pearl ones. And I really like how subtle they look, but they look very elegant as well. Alright, so I got this organizer, and this is a DIY kind of organizer, so I have to build it myself. It's a 3-tier organizer, and that one I haven't decided yet whether I want to keep it in the kitchen or use it in my bedroom. I haven't decided. Alright, so I also got this wig caps to help with wig install and things like that. So I don't have this color, I only have the black ones. There are 5 in a pack, and each pack is 2 in 1, so it's like getting 10 for the price of 5. I also got a pair of shoes that I'm going to be trying on later towards the end of the video. Alright, so this is the last and final item that I got for this section of the unboxing. This is a spray mop, and this is basically what it does is a spray mop. So it uses less water, and it's easier to store, like the ones, unlike the ones that come with the bucket. So this is what it looks like all coupled up. This is the part where you fill with water. So this is the canister where you fill with water. Goes on like that, and then plug it into here, and then You basically mop with that. So anyone can use this from what I see. It also has this really cute brush to be able to get rid of stains and things like that. This is what it looks like. And once you're done mopping, you just take this out and then this goes in the washing machine. So, you guys, that is it for this section of the video. We will go on to the clothing try on.